Morning, I take you on a nice walking tour through Medjugorje. Come with me. Here, by the way, you have a super good guy who sells fresh vegetables, good prices. Very, very good place to buy vegetables in Medjugorje. Lately it had rained a little bit the last few days, but next week spring is knocking on the door. We had a nice evening already. People were sitting outside for adoration, but the adoration was still inside in mass. But some people were already sitting outside. And here they're building a new place to sit for people. Isn't that beautiful? Also with solar power. Really neat done. In the back you can see Cross Mountain. The way to Kaplinia. Me as a German, how to spell that and to say it difficult. But Medjugorje I can say. There it is. We go to direction Medjugorje. Let's go together. Also write me in the comments what you like to see, if you have any suggestions about videos I could do for you guys. In this video you can see there's also regular life here in Medjugorje, not only pilgrims. This was now a bus with Swiss pilgrimage. You even have work out here in Medjugorje. This here is a nice coffee shop where you can get good cakes. Still closed, but they have very good cakes inside. Over there is coming the DM market where you can get all this hygienic products. It's a German company, and yeah, good stuff in there, good prices. In this place here, you can above Namex you can buy good apartments. see the delivery of Namex just happened. Here is the DM market where you have all the hygienic products. Also have a Consum over here, another supermarket. There's a bar, the Brothers Bar and coffee shop. Espresso bar. What you have to know, it's here in Bosnia-Herzegovina, people are allowed to smoke inside the bars and restaurants. That's a change for us in Western Europe or United States. I think even South America. See, spring is coming over there. You can see blooming. The trees are blooming. Also, I always go 7:30 mass. That's like the local mass, where the Croatian mass. It's different. There are not so many pilgrims. There are more people who live in Medjugorje. It's a different atmosphere, very settled, very quiet. If you want good bread, San Nicola, the bakery is very good. Which is on the left here. Also for fasting they have a variety of breads, which is very, very good. You have the bus station in morning, like you have 6:30, I think, something around, or 6 to the bus to Dubrovnik. Then there's a bus to every morning normally. You check it on the internet to Split as well. The post office, where you can get like internet. They have like HTR on net, and you can have like for €5 10 gigabytes a SIM card, to put in your mobile, that you have a beautiful internet connection here in Medjugorje. And you see pensions all over the place. It's still very quiet. Not a many pilgrims here, pilgrimage groups. But nothing to fear, no war, no COVID passport, no vaccination. Regular life like it was before in Western Europe and America. And now we go direction St. James Church. Another supermarket, Max Market, bit more expensive, but I also heard some things are cheaper in that supermarket from Namex and Consum. And now we are already moving towards St. James Church, and here you can see, normally this is dry, but it was raining a lot, and you see water in a little river here. And you have beautiful olive trees. And as you see, a lot of hotels, a variety of hotels here in Medjugorje. My brother stayed in a hotel for €11. You have prices all at the moment, good prices. Here you have the gardens. It's a pub, club, restaurant. Pharmacies all over the place, no problem to get any medication you need. Still the shops are closed, but they started to open again. In winter only the shops close to the church are open. Now the other ones starting to open again as well, as it's getting Palm Sunday and Sunday. Yeah, and if you like the video, subscribe to the channel. That would help the videos go up, and share the videos, the YouTube videos in like WhatsApp groups, Facebook, wherever. That would help a lot. Give a like, mainly subscribe to the channel, make a lot of subscriptions. That makes the videos go up and that other people can see the beauty about Medjugorje. See souvenir shops. A lot of hotels in the back as well, the streets down there. You have good food here in Restaurant Gina, and also in Restaurant Grace, Cafe Grace, very good. Local coffee is the other one, Pizza Beer House over there. Well, local people are there. And here you have a beautiful view on St. James Church. See, this must be a group from Western Europe, all wearing masks. People here don't wear masks in Medjugorje. It's very unusual to see that here with all this mask. But you can see pilgrims there. Pilgrims, they wear masks. Yeah. Sorry, still tired. And then it's a bit hard to talk English, but there you are. We are in front. There's Victor's, famous Victor's, in front of the church restaurant. I show you the view right over the place. Since do you see Spanish pilgrims? Oh, there we are. There we go. Seems to be a Spanish group. Hello. Hola. There we go. We are in front of the church. Spanish group, as you can see. We say hello to Our Lady in the morning. There's a rose bush in front, isn't that beautiful? And I will soon go now to the early mass because it's time to go. You see, 7:30. And yeah, subscribe to the channel, share the videos, give likes, that the videos go up and other people can see them. And have a joyful day, and I leave you with this nice sound of Medjugorje, of St. James Church.